Hey there, my name is Charles from Infallible Code, and today I'm excited to announce my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. As a thank you for all of your support, I've decided to give away 10 of these official Infallible Code pins. All you need to do to enter the contest is go to the link in the description and follow a few simple steps. They're really cool. I actually have one on my backpack. I love it. It's been an honor to be able to make all this content for you guys and to grow this community, whether it be on our Discord server or in the comment section or on Twitter. You guys have been really helpful and have given some great feedback. And honestly, it's been a real pleasure to be able to provide what knowledge I have about Unity, programming, and software development to you guys. So thank you for watching. We're going to continue to put out some more content. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you to all of my patrons, and a special shout out to NZ, Richard Stantz, Sean Carey, Thomas, Willandingo, and Yagov.